Hello. That's what happens when you record videos at 6 a.m. Texas Revolution is well on the horizon, not due till November 18th, but remember, the order in which you need to get to Texas Revolution is Natural Texas first, Spanish Exploration second, then Mexican National Era, then Texas Revolution. Texas Revolution is massive. There are four objectives to it. So there's a whole lot of information and it can be overwhelming. So there are some things that I want to show you that can be of help for you both on and off the platform. All the information that you need is in the platform, so I mean, that's good news. Your study guide, obviously, you download right here. Beautiful. But as you probably are well aware by now, I try to make things a little simpler for you by clarifying some things in Google Classroom. So now in Resource for Focus Area Notes, there is a whole Texas Revolution section. This is key terms that are the definitions at the beginning of your study guide that you can download from the platform. And these are three graphic organizers that I created that basically take the people and the events of that time period and put them just in a more visual flow. And these are some presentations that another teacher in the district has made that may help you. Now, you can use this or you cannot. I am just telling you how it helps. And let me go ahead and show you that information. This is my notebook. I have always kept a notebook um, that because I don't really feel like it's fair necessarily to ask kids to do something that I'm not willing to do, or at least figure out what you guys are running into from a problem standpoint. So I downloaded the study guide right here from the introductory materials that's here, glue it in my notebook. Whenever I need to find the definitions, I've had to look all over the place, and I know that sometimes you guys get frustrated in that searching. So I made a key terms Google slideshow that has all of the information that you need. So if you go off platform into the Google Classroom and click here, you can get that information you need. And then there are just three graphic organizers that I created based on the information from the study guide. Because if you look at the study guide, it has objectives 1 and 2, know these people and events, and it has objectives 3 and 4, know these people and events. So this is objectives 1 and 2. It's got the people that you should know, and I kind of have it graphically flowing chronologically. This one is about mostly the actual battles, and then this one is about the Alamo itself. I gave the Alamo its own page because there were a lot of important events that happened there. Okay, and so at the top of those, like, you can download them in PDF form in Google Classroom. Let's go back and look at that really quickly. So if you are I have them copied, obviously, here in the classroom if you need them. But if you're an at-home student, you can download these and you can write on them with Cami if you need to make annotations that way, or you can print it and write. I've always found that actually writing things down is the most helpful. But that is what I have for you there. I will say that it's not this one. I believe it is this one. I have out to the side here important people's names that were involved in those events. So you'd want to find a way either to incorporate them in your notes here or just maybe somewhere else. But the people who were pretty important to know with each event, as well as the Treaty of Alaska, are out to the side. I also have the tiny URL that was created by that other teacher written on it, but again, those links are here as well. So is it a lot of information? Yes. Have I made it easier for you? Absolutely. Is this something that you can take care of? Without a doubt. I put in the work. Please meet me halfway, if not maybe 30% of the way, because I've gone 70. But just take care of your business. Hopefully this is helpful to you. So by using Summit Learning Platform, these extra resources together, you can get the information you need. Thank you. Have a good day.